Um, Now we're going to discuss the most one important things about the salivary gland, because we are also discussing digestive system. Here very important rules take part salivary glands, and we have, if you talk about the salivary glands, salivary glands, salivary glands, salivary glands. Okay. Before the salivary glands, I want to tell about the salivary gland means saliva. Okay. Saliva. If you got the saliva we have consists of two components. We have serous and mucus components. Okay. This is about our saliva making. Okay. Serous component and mucus components. Actually, serous we have, in cells we have granules and these granules which produce enzymes, alpha amylase enzymes which help in digestion. Okay. If you talk about the mucus component is produce mucin, and mucin plus with water called mucus. Okay. And there we have no enzyme. Okay. These are the making of saliva of two things, because mucus we have no granules. Okay. If you talk about the serous we have granules, but in mucus we have no granules. Okay. And if the granules, they produce enzyme alpha amylase, and here we have produces mucin. That's why I told, like in saliva we have serous components and mucus components. The small part of serous component and mucus component. Why I told about the serous and mucus component? Because when we will going to discuss the salivary glands, here we have some glands made from the serous and some is mucus. Okay. We have two types of salivary glands, major and minor. First we have minor, then we have major salivary glands. Salivary glands. Okay. If you talk about minor we have four types. First we have lingual glands. Second we have buccal glands. Third we have palatine glands. And fourth we have labial glands. Okay, understand? And if you talk about the major, we have three glands. First we have parotid gland. Second we have submandibular. And third we have sublingual. Okay. Now, if you talk lingual from tongue, it's where is located root of tongues. Okay. Buccal gland from where is from the buccal areas, cheeks area. It means the location in cheeks area. Palatine is location from in the palatine area, and labial means which we was talking. When we was talking about the labial, about the lips, there I told there we have lips. It's two types, like upper we have different layer, and inner we have different layer, and inner we have labial glands. Okay, they produce saliva. Okay, but the most important in our topic is salivary glands and major glands. Parotid. First we will talk about the parotid glands. If we talk about the parotid glands, we have produce saliva is made of cells component. Okay, cells components. And from the parotid gland, which location you know here, this location of parotid gland, upper we have zygomatic arch, the zygomatic, and lower border is connection with mandible. Okay, between the mandible and zygomatic bone there is a location of the parotid gland, and this from if you see inside the oral cavity, there we have one small duct, and in the cheeks buccal area this is called parotid duct. This is coming from inside the nasal cavity, oral cavity. This is duct which produce saliva, okay, when we eating something food. Okay, then second we have submandibular glands, okay, and we have sublingual glands, okay, lingual area, and submandibular in the mandibular area. Okay, these are the small information about salivary glands, okay, because this also take part in our digestive system. Thank you for watching.